What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, and be ready because I do have another item review. Today we're gonna review the Louis Vuitton Clash Square Glasses. Before we review this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of my future uploads. For this item, I've had it for about a year, and I ordered it the first time through StockX because they weren't available on the site. So I got it through StockX, and in the process of everything being shipped, it got lost in transit and it came from Europe. Those sunglasses that I received were coming from Europe. So did this one. This one came from Europe. I ended up paying about like $480, just about. Okay, so I bought this for a little bit more expensive. With the fees and everything, it was $466 regular, but with all the fees it came up to $535.78. So the sales tax was $33.53, processing fee was $23.30, shipping fee $12.95, and this was on July 4th, 2023. These are my favorite sunglasses right now. Let's go on to the site because they are available now. These are the LV Clash Square sunglasses, costing $475. You can get it in black, and they had it in transparent, which I like the ones I got better, like the black and gold. Definitely super dark. When you go out, nobody can see your eyes at all. In the product details, it states the LV Clash Square sunglasses are a bold addition to the spring-summer of 2022 Eyewear Collection for men. The new style features a modern shape and oversized frame for a confident look. This accessories pays homage to the house with distinctive LV initials on each temple. And that's probably one of my favorite things about these sunglasses. On each side you have the gold LV logo on them. So with these glasses, you're gonna get black frames, black lenses, square shape, gold color hardware, LV initials on temples, Louis Vuitton signature on lenses, transmittance 12%, UV protection 100%, filter category 3. Technical details on UV protection and filters here. About 12% of light is gonna be transmitting through, and you get 100% UV protection. So these are at 12%, so it's gonna be category 3. High protection against sun glare, good UV protection. It states here not suitable for driving at night or under dual light condition. I can tell you that that is true. It's so dark, you don't want to be wearing this in the nighttime or at the club. You're not gonna see anything. Definitely not suitable for the nighttime, all I'm saying. Let's take a look at these sunglasses. The first cover here, Louis Vuitton, comes in this box here. You have the inside right here. Now it comes in this little like sack, little bag. These are the special LV Clash sunglasses. Got the LV gold on each side. See the front? It is super dark. It is super dark. Like if the light shines, you can't see nothing in there. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Honestly, these are my favorite sunglasses right now. The model, which is the Z1579W. So that's the same one, the one that I have displayed here. So 71579W, 71579W. And I would also recommend that if you have more of a Western type of nose, you most likely would be getting something like this. Now, if you got more of a flatter nose, you'll go with the Eastern frame. So these right now are the W. The E would be for the more Eastern flatter nose frames. Right now on StockX, these are the same glasses. You can get an E or W. Right now they're going for $430, $464, $430. The only reason it came up a little bit more expensive for me is because I just bought it now. I didn't do no bid. But if you bid, you can get it for like about $20 less. Again, I bought it for $466, and with everything, sales tax, processing fee, and shipping, it came up to $535.78. So they'll probably be paying like $510 just about, which is still not bad, still not too much over the original price. And the good thing is that I don't really see people wearing these. I see a lot of the Prada's ones. I saw a lot of the Prada ones multiple times. I even got some Pradas, which I'll be reviewing, but a lot of people be using those. These, very rarely you find someone wearing these when you come out. Definitely a good grab, very exclusive, because at one point they weren't even available. All right, let's try this on. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something you would buy? I'm telling you, these are definitely a grab if you're building your sunglasses collection. And a great feature of this that really tripped me out that it didn't say on there is that when you're in the sun and you got these on, you have little mirrors right in the corner and you can look right back. Like right now I can see a little bit of my background, but I know the more sun, the more you can see better behind you. So you can also look behind you, which is a great feature. I've never seen anything like that. The glasses are also super thick. So you got like that boxy look. It's very thick. Look at the bottom there. Like you definitely get your money's worth. I clean them up regularly just because they are black, so it gets smudged up and you can get like a little bit of dust in there. It also did come with a booklet. It comes with a manual and it's in different languages. It tells you the UV, the specs of these glasses. It also comes with this. And it also comes with the serial number and authorized representatives from the Louis Vuitton UK store. They got this registered, they got a registration number, so this is super legit. But yeah, that wraps it up for this Louis Vuitton Clash square glasses. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.